Good morning everyone, and for today's product we are going to cover the new hair balance line shampoo hair care, where we have the shampoo, conditioner and the serum. As you all know, we already have two different types. So the first one we had is the hair recovery line, where we had the shampoo, conditioner and the serum. This is for people who have hair thinning, hair fall and all. This is my favorite. I use it all the time. In fact, my hairstylist Shana says I am her client who has the longest hair as of now. So I use this line definitely. This is my go-to for weekly twice. So this is the first line that got introduced for our hair care. The second one is the hair plenish line. The same way we had shampoo, conditioner and serum. This is for people who has dry hair, who feels their hair is so frizzy and what is it, like coarse and wavy. So they can use this, and this will really condition and make it soft and smooth. So and all three of our line are good for color treated hair. So let's come back to the hair balance line. That's the one we are going to cover. I already made separate videos for the hair recovery and also the hair plenish, so I will link them to if you want, if you are interested. So let's see what are the benefits of this one. This is for normal to oily hair. Here I have my product knowledge guide so that I can share the important things with you. So I have what is it, like had this discussion with few of my friends too already. When you feel your ends are, I mean the roots are oily, you feel like your the hair is really heavy and it's pulling you down. Like, I mean, it feels heavy until you wash it. So this is perfect for those people, because that means you have a severe oily buildup in your scalp. So here it is going to clean it and also make it smooth and shine, and not weighing it down. So that is the purpose of this shampoo. And if you see here, it says the formula includes a natural plant derived active pentavitine, which provides intense hydration, assisting in reducing the appearance of scalp flaking. At the same time, it helps to combat oily scalp and therefore reduces the feeling of itchiness and irritation. So here more our products are we always call it as 98% natural and 2% science. So each of the ingredient has its own purpose and serves it well. So the next ingredient, if you see, it says hair balance shampoo is also infused with a complex called Merquat 3030 PR polymer, which helps wet and dry hair feel smooth and tangle free, being easily combable but without adding excessive buildup to hair and scalp. If you see people who use any extra, what is it, like setting sprays or even dry shampoo, all those, they all turn up to have a residue over your hair. So that's why it is going to clean up, but at the same time it's not going to make you feel heavy. So this is important in normal to oily hair types, as hair can often feel matted or tangled due to excessive oil buildup. So it's going to make it smooth and soft, at the same time not weighing it down. Next one, it says the shampoo includes Jaguar C17, which is a plant derived polymer, again including an extract from guar beans, that helps to increase the appearance of shine in dull, overly oily hair. So if you are someone who has normal to oily hair, or if you are someone who works out and feels like their hair is gets oily soon, because some people, if they sweat a lot, that means the hair will feel oily so soon. So in those people, this particular line will definitely help. And it also includes cooling menthol for a clean, refreshing, purifying feeling while washing your hair. So this is sulfate free, without gluten, free of phthalates, parabens, animal products and silicone. So I use the normal to oily line and also the hair recovery, because my hair type is like that. And for my son, I use the hair plenish line, because for him I want it to be smooth and soft. He has his natural growth, so that way he doesn't need a hair recovery or something. So here, if you see the supporting beneficial ingredients, it says it has vitamin A, B and E, which is antioxidant rich ingredients that help to protect scalp and hair. And the next one is it has sodium hyalurate, which is effective moisturizing ingredient. If you see, sodium hyalurate is in our climate control, so that means it's going to be moisturizing. And it also has salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is usually used in prevention of acne or any of the cleansers and all, but here it is included in a very low level of 0.1% to help any remove dead skin cells and sebum buildup. So that is also to clarifying your scalp. I always wash only twice a week. I can actually expand the time in between because once you make your hair understand to this routine, you can easily do 2 or maximum 3 in a week. Like for me, since I have long hair, I don't prefer to do it too often. And if you are someone who is going to use every single day, you may need very little amount of the product, and whereas compared to a person who is going to wash in once in 4 days or 5 days. Always make sure to start really small. Whenever Senegen's products come, start with dime, pea to dime size. If it is skincare, you always start with like a very 1 pump or a half a pump, whereas here you will start like a dime size to start based on your hair, because everybody's like the volume differs, so, and the amount of oil buildup, or some people like to do oil massage before, so it varies. So you need to find the right amount for your hair, and that way you will work through it and find the right amount. You can use it for your hair. And any of our hair care line, make sure you have more water in your hair before you start. That way, because if you are using a sulfate free shampoo, they never foam up much, so that doesn't mean it's not working. It doesn't have that lather to dry out the scalp. The extra ingredients are added just to give you that feel. So here it is not added any of those. So make sure to add water in your hair and lather it, and then apply all over. That way you are able to cover. And I always go with wash twice. So I always use a dime size for my top part, and then I use one dime size for my the rest of the hair. And the second time, once I wash it, the second time I use the same dime or little lesser for my upper part, but I go with the conditioner for my bottom part, because conditioner also has cleaning agent, so you don't need to have use it a lot. So I use the conditioner for my second time and leave it for 3 minutes and then wash it. So that's how I use any of the hair care line. And the same way, whenever you are using a serum, you can use wet or dry. It basically your preference. I prefer wet because that way I know that I have to do. So whenever the day I wash, I make sure to use the for example, if I'm using the hair recovery serum, I make sure to add it in my roots. I always open my hair and try to apply it through my roots. That way it can work really well. So next comes the hair balance conditioner. Here also one or two ingredients are similar to the hair balance shampoo. The one is, again, already we talked about, that is the pentavitamin. So that is here too, but the two other ingredients that are used here are, one is the Wave Max, which is natural linseed and chia seed extract. So that is the one that is used as the moisturizing ingredient in the conditioner. It increases the smoothness and manageability of the hair by reducing the appearance of frizz. So even though if it is oily hair, and if you still feel you need that smoothness instead of dullness, then this is your choice. So this active also helps protect the color and chemically treated hair. As I mentioned, all three lines is suitable for color treated hair. I always do my coloring, so hair coloring, so I never had any issues with these shampoos. And the second one is a complex called Floromac 10, which is derived from macadamia nut, helps to reduce hair breakage and both wet and dry comb force. So it also increases hair shine and provides heat protection for styling tools. Additionally, Chronosoft is a powerful complex which helps to increase hair softness and detangling. So each of Sanagen's ingredient are mostly derived from plants or and these kind of nuts or aloe vera, all those kind of stuff. That's why I try to read it from here instead of just reading it here. I know it is really difficult and it will be more of a scientific name we cannot understand, but here, see, for example, if you say Wavemax, we will not understand that it's from a chia seed. So that's why I make sure to read it from here in a detailed way. Here the supporting ingredients are again aloe vera juice, seaweed and kelp extract to help calm and soothe the scalp, and the same way we have vitamin A, B, E, which is used in the shampoo, and the sodium hyaluronic in it. And here we have glycerin, which hydrates scalps and the hair. So that's the difference between the shampoo and conditioner. So you always massage it to the wet hair from after you shampoo and leave it for 3 minutes for it to condition. If you introduce a new hair care or something, I feel like you need to give it at least 2 to 3 months of time, basically, because I think I remember saying like you need at least 28 days, because not every hair grows at the same time. So what it happens is the one for a week this side grows and the next cycle this side grows. So you need to give it some time for the hair to understand that you are into a new routine, and that's when it's going to start working effectively. And also, like the skincare, hair care is not only just with this. These are like aids that can help, but your food, your basic habits, your how you maintain the hair, or how you what is it, like some people like to do it very tight with holding clips and all. So the same way stress plays a major routine. So work through it, like, I mean, you understand the problem. Sometimes food or enough, not drinking enough water, all that matters, whether it's skincare or hair care. So our age, our what is it, like our hormones, like there are plenty of things, environment, plenty of things that goes into it. Even while when you change a water from one place to other, you obviously see shedding sometimes. So I always see these things as your aid to having a good skincare or a good hair care, but at the same time our own basic lifestyle has to change too. It is not that you can do all your junk food and all stress out and late night sleep and everything and then expect a magic from these products. That is, to be frank, that is my idea. The last one is the hair balance serum. Here it is very fun, because you can see this is made of charcoal, I believe. So it is black in color, but at the same time this can be your dry shampoo, because it's going to absorb the oil. So that's how I am using now. So I use the hair recovery for the days I wash, but if I'm feeling oily, I use this on my scalp. That way I can just go or extend one day for if I'm lazy, that I don't want to wash my hair in the middle for the videos or something. Then I can use this as my quick thing and do like a dry shampoo in my scalp and just extend the day. Key ingredient in this serum formula, and the reason for the color is black, is activated vegetable charcoal. This ingredient helps to absorb buildup of dirt and oil that clog hair in overly oily scalps, helping to purify. This results in bouncier, less weighted hair and helps to soothe itchy, irritated scalps. And although the formula color is black, when rubbed and blended to the scalp, it blends in clear and does not color or stain roots. I think for us this is the other way around. So you should be worried whether when you use a white, but all three are cream, what is it, like cream consistency. This is little liquidy. Maybe I can just show consistency here. If you see, it is not liquidy to observe. This is more of a creamy consistency. So even when you apply it through your hair, this is how it gets absorbed. This is the hair recovery line, which is white. Let me show you the charcoal one. This is actually compared to that, this is a little bit liquidy, I would say. So here is the one. So far as I don't think it's a problem, because as you can see, both of them are going to get absorbed and not going to leave any stain. So So here is the hair recovery line. So this is how your scalp should look. It is going to get completely absorbed within few seconds, and it's not going to feel oily or sticky in any of the cases. Like all three line work in that way that they get absorbed to the scalp. That's why I always say to just part your hair wherever you need. For example, if I'm doing here, I will part and I will make sure I apply it to the tip of the roots, because that's when you want it to work through. So that is how I do. So like the shampoo and conditioner, it also has the Pentavitin, but here we have the Rambuvital, which is the extract from the rambutan seeds. It's called a superfruit in Asia. So it's a rich source of nutrient and antioxidant that is nourishes and helps protecting your hair and hydrates the scalp and hair. So it also going to energize the roots. So the next one is the Mari Moist, which is a complex that includes red seaweed extract and moisturizing sodium hyalurate. So it provides hydration as well as cooling and soothing feeling to the scalp, which helps to contract itchiness and discomfort. So I have many people who had dry scalp or dandruff kind of thing, because it's going to be flaky if it is too dry. So I have heard very good review from those people, whoever have either used the hair plenish line. For people who had dandruff, I heard even the hair recovery line helped a lot with the serum. So these serums are really moisturizing, and for my hair itself I use only 2 pumps, so for you to understand. So these will last you longer, because you are just going to use like twice or maximum thrice a week for this one. I think this one, I think you can use more. I may go through it when I come across that. It also has infused with wild water mint, a plant extract that provides additional cooling and revitalizing feeling to the scalp. So Senegen's products, if you look through closely, you will see so many of naturally or plant-based derivatives in each one of the products actually. Again, it's gluten, sulfate, phthalate, paraben and animal products, and silicone free. The additional ingredients: aloe, seaweed, kelp and cucumber extracts, which going to help calm and soothe itchy scalp. So, and glycerin and vitamin B and E, antioxidant rich ingredients that help protect your scalp and hair. So that's the difference. Here it says you can use both morning and evening in your scalp and massage it with your fingertips, and you don't have to rinse. So once you come out of the shower, use this. And so hope you learned something about our new hair balance line. I really like to make these individual videos. That way you will be able to compare each product and pick the right one for you. So and you can always mix and match. For example, if you have picked a hair recovery line, you can still use the hair balance serum too. So it depends on how your everyday activity is and what are the benefits about it. Price wise, size wise, they are all the same, but the hair recovery line is $40 for shampoo and conditioner, whereas our hair plenish and hair balance are $35 for the conditioner and shampoo. The same way, the hair recovery lines serum is $60, whereas the hair plenish and hair balance is $55. So that's about it. Have a wonderful day. See you all soon.